So last class we discussed about what is right, so central repository and what is local repository, and right, so what is branch, and we see some new keywords, right? GitHub keywords and all. GitHub keywords and all. So what is GitHub? Simply GitHub is a code hosted platform, right? So GitHub is a code hosted platform. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the github.com. So GitHub is the code hosted platform. GitHub is the code hosted platform. GitHub is the code hosted platform. And so, right, so here this is like a version control. Here we can maintain your projects. We can maintain our projects. So we can create any projects, we can create users, we can give access controls and all. So whatever we want, so we can provide. So here, this is the this is the hosted platform, and so with the help of we can create multiple projects, whatever we want. So what are the main things last class we discussed, right? What are the main new keywords in GitHub? So last class we discussed a few keywords, right? So what are those? This is the repositories. Here mostly we are going to discuss these things only. Repositories, and also branches. BRA branch, and also commits. Next, pull request, push request. Next, now we can see, right? So some of these are the main things. So these are the main things. Now we'll see this how it will work, and so how to set up GitHub bundle and how to work with. So simply, if anyone is asking what is GitHub, GitHub is nothing but this is like one repository. We can store we can store our development projects. So repository is nothing but we can store your projects, any data. We can store any type of data. So development data means not only development. Developer develop the code, and here we can store any type of data. We can store any type of right, data. We can store as text files. So we can store different format files. Whatever we want, we can. And also here, right. Here, if you want to, before creating, so we need to, this is two types we can right, install. One is enterprise edition. Anyway, here practice purpose mostly we are using so github.com. Okay, so if we have username password, we can log in. There is a, see, left side, right side top corner, if you see here, there is two options, sign in and sign up. This is the github.com. This is same only, there is no change. Github.com, this is the server, this is the hosted in somewhere. Here we are going to create account first. If you want to create any account, already if you have username password, click on the sign in button. And if you don't have username password, just we can click here. Where is that sign up button? So if who are don't have account, please give me your email ID. I will create one account. Based on others also we can create easily. So can you share anyone email ID? So who don't have GitHub account? Just email ID only. Enter your email ID. First step it is asking like so enter your email ID. So enter your email ID. It is asking so enter your email ID. Just enter your email ID only. Everyone have so GitHub account. Whoever don't have account, please share your email ID.
Sir, I don't have.
Yeah, share in our chat box. I will copy. So these are the two type of editions: enterprise edition, community edition. And so anyway, here we are using a free only. Just share your email ID. There is only few steps only. These are some basic steps only, and this is the first step. First step means if you are using email ID, it won't allow. Just give your email ID. I will copy and paste it. Next step, it is asking some password and all some random questions. That's it. Okay. Now go to here. Mm. You are typing or
I'll tell sir.
okay.
Madhu.vani0909.
Madhu dot all are small letters, right?
Yes sir.
Madhu dot Vani.
0909 at gmail.com.
Okay. Same. If anyone don't have a account, just click on this Madhu dot Vani 0909 at gmail. Okay. Click on continue. Now it is asking password. Just I am setting password. I will share you. Okay. మీకు పాస్వర్డ్ నేను పంపిస్తాను.
That is
Password is a list of password commonly used. Okay. Now click on continue. Username, right? So we can change username means we can copy and paste same thing only. Whatever you want. Where is this username? Paste. Or we can give so up to here also, that is your wish. If you want to, we can give full email ID. Anyway, your email ID, your username both are same only. Click on continue. Your email ID, your so username I am giving same. That is your wish. Now click on continue. Right. Alphabetic or just remove to this.
the dot also.
Okay, earlier it is allowing same. Now they removed special characters and all. It is allowing only numbers, only characters. It won't allow any special characters. Click on this and so receive product updates. If you want to, we can select. I don't want anything. Click on continue. That's it. Now verifying your account. Next step it is asking verifying account and so protecting your account. Verify. So what type of verification you want? So use the arrow. How it will work. Okay, submit, done. Now see here, click your email ID, you will get one code. Just type, send me that code. Go to your email ID. So they will send one code. Just they will send. Did you receive code, ma? Just check your email ID.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
86163658.
61
86163658.
1636. One more time.
86
86
16
16
3658.
58. Okay. So see here. So once verification is done, welcome to GitHub. And so it is asking these are the common questions. You don't worry. These are the common questions. You don't worry. We can select anyone. So how many team members we have with you? We can give randomly anything, whatever you want. So we can give it. So this is not a mandatory. Just select and click on continue. And so if you want to anything, so if you want to any update, collaboration, coding, anyway, practice purpose, right? Leave it. Click on continue. That's it. So that's it. Now continue for free and so level of GitHub team and 4 user per month. So anyway, we are continue with free only for practice purpose, right? So we are not going to any real time code. We are not maintaining practice, right? Continue for free. That's it. Now see here. Now your account GitHub dot your repository your so your account is so done successfully created. So this is the github.com. This is the one server. Actually, they are maintaining separate server, and so here just we created one account. Now if you observe here we can see lot of things. See, create new repository, create a repository, and this is your email, this is your username, and by default we can see one file. And so remaining, so there is a lot of options we can see. If you want to create any repository, now what is our target? Now if you go here, now I'm going to do, yesterday we discussed, right? Same thing I'm going to set up here, same thing I'm going to here. Now this is our central repository. I hope you got it right. Now github.com. Now this is done, this part is done, account created successfully, github.com. So this is the GitHub, 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 GitHub.com. This is done. And so what is your username? Already we logged in, right? Now I need to create one project. I need to create one project. This is the central repository. So what is this? Central. Central means this is the server. This is the central repository. Now, now central repository. So this is the central repository. Now this is the my account is done. I want to create one project. Okay, so real time also we are creating same thing only. But so if we have get chance, we can create a repository, or most of the project running project, right? Already someone is created, already code is available. So just directly we can use existing repository only. But anyway, you are just now we created account, right? We don't have any repositories. So how to create a repository? So if you want to create a repository, once you log into here, there is an option is see, create your first project. I want to create one project, create a repository. Now, so here it is asking, so now here it is asking some username. This is the repository name, and so it is asking description and what type of project. So whether it is last class we discussed, right? Public or private. Here I am using so project. What is project name? DevOps. I am giving DevOps description. This is whatever you want, just we can give. Okay, now so in real time mostly we are using so private only authorized. See, if we select private repository, you choose, you can see and commit these repositories. If we select means anyone on the internet we can see your repositories. Okay, public means anyone can see your repositories on internet browser, they are search and they can see it. Private means only authorized peoples. But anyway, I am selecting only public, I am selecting only public. And so now see here, initialize this repository with, initialize this repository with, so add readme file. This is where you can write so log description and all. So generally if we create any repository, by default we can see this file also, readme file. So what is this means, so this is the one file. In this file we can write so your project information whatever you want. So I want to give some information about my project. So if you want to write that type of content, we can add here. So now see here, initialize this repository, add me file. And so if you want, if you have any license and all, we can select here. Right now I am not selecting anything. This is the only this is the only free only, right? Just no need to select anything and click on the repository and click on the repository. That's it. Now see here, your repository, your see here, your project is created. Your project is created, DevOps project. And what is the default file name? Readme, uh, readme.md. So here in this file, whatever you want, we can write. If you want to write something about your project, if you want to write something, whatever your project, your code, and what are the steps, so that and all. Now, if you observe here, what is the type of repository? Public. And what is the branch? Right now, one branch and zero tags. And this is the main branch. And see, we can see lot of options here. We can see many options. Automatically, it will enable. So now see here, add me file if you want to add and code. So this anyway, we'll see one by one. So later. Now I hope everyone got it right. So how to sign up GitHub account? How to sign up GitHub account? Clear? Anyone any doubt? Clear, guys? So go to browser, go to browser, go to browser, and so I'm clicking sign up. So go to here, just go to here and type github.com. This is the URL, this is the link. So now click on what is sign out, right? That is one sign out. Sign out. Okay, so now see here, this is the home page. So if anyone, if new to github.com, if already, if you don't have any account, first time if you see this, so github.com, just go to browser, just type github.com, and right side top corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up. If already, if you have username password, click on sign in. If you don't have username password, click on the sign up. Now server is ready. Now click on sign in, and so here I'm entering my username password because already my username password added in here. Now same thing I'm showing. Okay. Now it is go to authentication. Mm, mm, mm. Just 1 minute. I am verify my authentication. It will go to my email only. Click on email. So this is two-step verification. So I enable. So that is the reason I am getting this password and okay. Where is this? Remind me later. And so GitHub. Okay, where is my phone? March. What? This is old or new? Oh, no, classic. That is March. Today, what is date? 12, right? February, March 5. I think this is not my correct email ID. Let me check. So, someone missing. Um, What is this? All mails. This is March. Where is my code? I didn't get any code. The personal access token, DevOps and repo has expired. If this token still need, okay, this is something password related token. Getting inbox. Find it. Where is all emails? Trash, cancels, rest more. Now this is February 28th. Mhm. So what is this? The recovery code being two-step verification. Okay, 1 second. Or else I can check app also. Okay, I got app 7 6. So every time it is getting for verification code and all, it is verifying. Okay. Anyway, so it is sending app only. So no need sign out. Okay. So now I can able to log into the, already I have username password, and just I log in, because in my machine already my username password and all configure. That is the reason I am using my account only. Now see here, github.com account, and so I am going to create so one project, right? One project. So how to create project? So if somewhere if you see, so this is the new. If we click on new, it is asking like this is my username. I am the owner. This is my user account and repository name. So just I'm giving DevOps 2024, and just give description. Whatever you want, we can give description. Whatever you want, we can give description. And so what type of repository I want? Public or private? Only public repository. So I am adding readme. This is the one way, and different ways we can do it. Okay. I don't want pipelines. That's it. Only two options. Create, what is this? Azure pipeline. The marketplace access repository, Azure pipeline. Okay, already I enabled this one. That is the reason. Okay, create repository. Okay. Now see here. So this is my project name. This is my project name, and so master. I am in master branch. See, one branch, and this is a README file added. And if whatever you want, we can add here. Whatever you want, we can add here. So my setup is done. That's it. No need to do anything. That's it. No need to do anything. Only two steps. Only two steps. Create, give one project name, and so select a public or private repository. Next, give description, and just click on the so create. That's it. Now this is done. Now do we have any files, guys? This is now central repository. This is a central repository, and what is my project name? DevOps 2024. And what is the branch name here? If you observe here, what is the branch name? Master branch. See, in real time we are maintaining many branches. Slowly we can understand. Right now this is the master branch. Now, what is the default file name here? This is the readme only. This is the readme.md file right now available. I don't have anything. Now, I am the developer, or you are the DevOps engineer, right? Now, this is the central repository. Now, where is local repository? If you want to work with local, so just assume this is my laptop. Now, try to understand. So, this is my laptop. This is my laptop. So this is my laptop. Now I am going to install one software here. I am going to install one software here. So what is this? This is the central github.com, and this is the local, right? So what is this? This is the local repository. What is this? This is the local repository. Now this is the local repository. Local means your laptop or desktop. That's it. Your laptop or so desktop. This is the local repository. Local repo. This is a new terminology. If you understand nothing, now this is the local repository. Now, in my mission, we need to install. In my mission, we need to install one software. Right? Kind software. So this is the GitHub.com. This is the server. Here I created one project, DevOps 2020. This is the master. By default, what is the branch name? Master branch. And this is the one branch. And right now, only this file is available. So what is our target? I want to work with, if whatever I need to push some files from local to central. That is my target. Now, if you observe here, this is a central, this is a local. How these two are connecting? How these two are connecting? You are in local, this is the central. If you want to push file to central to local, we need to use some softwares, right? Last class we discussed Git client software. We need to install one software. What is that software? Git client software. Which software we need to install? Git client software. Every time it is changing. Git client software. We need to install, this is a software. So mostly here we are using so multiple, right? So there is multiple tools available in market. If you go Google, if you type git client software, if you click on this, these are, we can use anyone, Whether we can use a Tata S Git or we can use a GitHub or SmartWait. So we can use not only this. If we click on this, see here, there is many tools available. This is the client Git client softwares. These are the Git client softwares. So we can use anyone. That is your wish. Whether we can use this one, this one, this one, whatever it may be. So mostly we are using Tata S Git. This is a GUI based. Anyway, first we are going to discuss the CLI based. CLI means I want to install. If you go to browser, just type Git software. Just type download, just type Git. That's it. Now see here. If you see here, so this is the Git download. This is the various Git logs in our so whatever you want we can install. Click on this link, first link. Now it is asking. This is a simple software. This is a simple software. First you need to install this mission, this software in our local machine. This is a client, right? So without this client, it won't connect local to central. So that is the reason we need to install. Now which operating system we are using, Windows or Mac or Linux? So currently I am using Windows. Click on the Windows. Now, so once we click on that Windows, now it will show here some, see here 32-bit operating system, 64-bit and also portable 32. How can I identify my operating system is 32-bit or it is 64-bit? Now go to my computer, go to window, so go to C drive, right click and go to properties and go to properties. If you see here, here we can find, so whether you are using system type. So I am using Windows. I am using Windows operating system. My operating system was 64-bit operating system. See here, X 64-bit operating system. Suppose in our mission, if you want to check, so just go to my computer, go to this PC, right click, go to properties. Here we can see. Suppose in our mission 32-bit means you need to download only 32-bit related. I hope you got it right. So which one you need to? So this one or this one? So my operating system 64. Now I am clicking 64-bit. So this is very simple package software. See here it is downloading. Started downloading. A maximum to, 15 to 20 MB only. Maximum 15 to 20 MB only. So see here. Now open this. So this folder. Go to here. Now this is the software. So what is the size of this software? See here. This is a maximum. So now 62 MB. 62.3 MB. Okay. Now just double click. That's it. Don't do anything. Just double click on it. So it will install. It is asking, do you want to allow app this change in our device? Just click on the yes. Just click on the yes. That's it. No need to do anything. Just click on the yes. Up to finish, next, up to finish. Don't modify anything, don't do anything. Don't modify anything, don't do anything. Don't modify anything, don't do anything. Just click on the next. That's it. I hope everyone got it right. Already in my mission it is installed. I'm not going to do one more time. Just download this one. Download the Git software. Go to Google. Just type download Git and click on this link. First one. Download Git. So click on any link. All are same only. Click on the first link and select which operating system you are using. Click on the operating system and now select so what type, whether you are using a 64-bit or a 32-bit. So now my operating system is 64. So this is downloaded. Go to download folder and just double click on it. That's it. Don't do anything. Click on yes and next up to finish button. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt guys up to now? Clear? What Hemant?
Clear, sir.
Okay, very simple only. If you have any problem, so please let me know. Okay, once that is done, go to your desktop or anywhere. Just right click on this. We can see these two options. We can see these two options. Open Git GUI here. Open Git Bash here. We can enable two options. Before installing, check it in our mission. If anyone not yet installed, so first check right click anywhere, not only desktop, any folder. Go to somewhere, go to somewhere and any folder, just right click, just right click, just right click. So if we click on this, now we can see two options. Before installing these two, we can't see. Once installation is done, installation nothing but just click next up to finish. That's it, guys. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. That is a very simple only. Once that is done, now we can so right click anywhere, and so we can see these two options. We can see these two options. So git bash and all. Git bash, open git bash here and open GUI and all. So I hope clear, right? So now my central ready. Now my central ready. This is my central repository. So DevOps 2024, and so Git client also ready. Now what is happening? Connection is done. Connection is done. Now we can connect with your local to central. Now I want to create one empty repository in my local. I want to push it. So how to push it? So before that, first you need to understand Git hierarchy, how it will work. Now generally this is a local, right? I install this software. Once you install it, so internally it is maintaining, there is three areas. This is the untracked files, this is the staging file, and this is the local repository. These are the three areas. So what is this? This is working area. Okay, click on here, select this one. Someone can mute please. This is the untracked files who are in unmute. Okay, thank you. Now go to here. So this is the untracked files or working area. Both are same only. This is the staging area. This is the local repository. So internally it is maintaining three areas. If you understand nothing, this is the local repository. So next 1 week we are going to discuss same thing only. You don't worry. Now this is the central and this is the local. Local means our laptop. So there is three areas, right? Working area, untracked staging area, working area, staging area, local repository. Clear? So this is the now see here. Now for example, just assume I am my local machine. I am going to create one file. So I am going to create one file, whatever it may be. I am going to create one file, whatever it may be. I am going to create one file, anything. I am going to create one file, anything. Now select this one. Just assume, for example, dev dot or anything. I am going to create one file. Select this one, dev.txt. Dev.txt. I am going to create one file. So where I created, guys, central repository or local repository? Anyone? What is this? This entire area is nothing but local
Local.
repository.
Local
Local
repository.
means where it is maintaining remote repository or local. This is your laptop
Local
or this
laptop.
yes sir, this is your laptop or desktop. This entire part working only your local machine, your laptop or desktop, whatever it may be. Once you install Git software client, so internally it is maintaining. This is a virtual, this is the right, so we cannot touch it. This is the software, right? This is the hierarchy. Internally it is maintaining three areas: untracked files, staging area, local repository. Now I created one file. Now, if we want to move this file, we need to use some command. What is my here? My target is I want to move this file to local to central repository. That's it. This is the central. So this is the central. Right now, I don't have anything here. I want to move that file to here. That's it. Now, if you want to move this file, there is some commands you need to use. Same command I am typing. I am doing practical only. Okay. Now see here. So this is the command. Git add. This is the command. In real time also we are using same command, don't confuse here. Okay, so here we are going to use so git add, git add and file name, f name, file name. If you use this command, what is happening? Now this file move from untracked area to staging area. So now this file is moved from untracked area to it is coming to here. It is coming to here. If you use this command git add and file name, now the file is moved on to untracked, that is working area to staging area. Now if you want to move this file to local repository, this is the command. What is the command we need to use? This is the command. what is this command? Every time font is increasing. Okay. So here git commit we are using, this is a command, this is a commit message -m and so message, this is a message. If you use this command, now what is happening? So now this file is moved from here to here, here to here. Now file is moved to local repository. Now file is moved come to local repository. Now still the file is available local or central?
Local.
Local, correct? Now I want to move this file to central repository. Central means this is a central. So central means this is the central devaps dot, this is the central devaps 2024, this is the central. Now how to move? So there is a one command. So already last class we discussed, right? So if you want to move file from local to central, so we used one command. What is that command? Git push command. What is this command? If you use this git, if you want to move this file to central, so what is the command? Git push command. That's it. Hardly maximum 10 commands only. Git push, git push. This is the and branch name, B name. We are using branch name. Here, what is my branch name? Master branch. But real time we are maintaining many branches. Specifically, we need to mention that branch. Now, if you use that command, now what is happening? Now file is moved from my local machine to, so local machine to which machine? Central. Central means here. Now file is coming to here. Now file is available central. Now, so here we are maintaining here also one file, here also one file. Why we are maintaining two files? Git is distributed version control. Last class we discussed, right? Git is distributed version control. That means we are maintaining two copies. We are maintaining two copies. One copy we are maintaining local repository. One copy we are maintaining central repository. I hope you got it right. అర్థమవుతుందా? So Git is distributed version control system. Last class we discussed. Why distributed version control means we are maintaining two copies. We are maintaining two copies. One copy we are maintaining local machine. One copy we are maintaining central repository. Clear, Delhi? Anyone any doubt
Clear,
here?
sir.
Anyone any doubt here? Now file is available central repository. Same way we can see your file local also. We can see local also. Okay. Now same thing we are going to do practically how it will work. Now see here, this is done. So now central also ready. Now central also ready. And so my client also ready. Now already installed, right? In my machine available. Now let me create one folder anywhere for our practice purpose. I am going to create so DevOps. Same name, my project name I am giving you local also. This is your wish, not only same name we can give. Okay. Now right click. Now we need to open git bash here. What is the command? Git bash. Right click, open git bash. That's it. Now this is the CLI, command line interface. What is this? Like it will, write command prompt. If you go see window or if you type CMD, this is the command prompt like this. So everything we have to execute via commands only, not GUI. So there is two ways we can operate. If you operate here, this is a GUI, graphical user interface. Everything we can handle so via mouse. But if you come to here, everything we can handle with the commands only. Only we can handle commands. Mouse won't work. Only we have to type commands. So this is the GUI and this is the CLI. Now this is the which prompt? CLI prompt. Okay. Now, so now we'll follow some steps. We need to follow some steps. I will share this document. Follow same document. We can easily understand. Now, if you go here, last class already we seen, right? Practically and all how it will work. Now come to here. So first we need to use the git init command. What is the init? First we need to use the git init command. Init is nothing but a initialization. It is creating one empty repository in our local. If you observe here, so if you observe here, if you observe here, DAR, I don't have anything right now. So first I am going to create one empty repository. What is that command? Git init command. If you use git init command, so now see here, initialized empty repository in our, this is your path. This is your path. So now see here, by default earlier it is not showing anything. Now if you see here, by default it is coming one branch name. What is that branch name? Master. What is that
Past.
branch name? Master branch. So if you use this command internally in our local mission, it is creating one empty repository. So this is the initialized empty git repository. This is the directory path. This is the directory path. Okay. So now see here, what is this? ls hyphen la, right? So now see here. So here Linux commands also it will work. Now see here, it is the empty directory. The dot git. Now if you go that, if you know these commands, okay. If you don't know, leave it. This is the Linux commands only. Anyway, we are going to learn. For time being, just understand. Okay. Now ls command. Now see here. Now see here. Now see, these are the empty directory. Now I am in .git directory. See, head, configuration, descriptions, and hooks, information, objects, references. So if you use git init command, it will generate one directory, .git directory. So under this directory we can see these many folders, structure. Don't modify anything, don't delete anything for the time being. So later we'll see. So don't modify anything. Okay. So come outside. Okay. So now I am in here. Now if you want to create any file, if you want to create any file, so in Linux this is the command, guys. If you want to create any file, you use touch space file name. For example, here I am using so for example I am using config.txt file. This is the file. So this is the file I am using. So this is the file I am using. What is the file name? Config.txt file. Now it is available local. See here, config.txt file available my local machine. Can you see this file in our central? Refresh it. Can you see here? Yes or no? ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫైల్ ఎక్కడుంది నాకు?
Yes,
జస్ట్
sir.
ఐ క్రియేట్ లోకల్ ఓన్లీ. ఎక్కడుంది ఇది? లోకల్. Now these are the areas. Now in this area there is three areas, right? Where is this file? This config.txt file available here or here or here? Anyone? ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫైల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది నాకు? ఇక్కడ ఈ ఏరియాలో ఉందా, ఇక్కడ ఉందా, ఇక్కడ ఉందా? ఎనీవన్?
Local repository.
So local repository. What about others? Just now I created one file. If we create any new file, where it will start?
Untracked files.
Untracked files. The file is first initial available. Where is this? Untracked file only. So now we are moved to up to here. But if we create any file, empty file, by default that file is available untracked file or working area. Now check it. So if you want to check whether I want to know, sir, exactly where this file is reside, I want to know, I want to see. See here, git. This is the status. If you use this command, now see here, this is the untracked files. Now see, now got it. అర్థమైందా? సో ఇప్పుడు మీ ఏరియా ఎక్కడుంది? ఫైల్ అన్ట్రాక్డ్ ఏరియాలో ఉంది. సి రెడ్ ఆల్సో. సి రెడ్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు మూవ్ దిస్ ఫైల్, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్? git add file name. Command also they given here. So now my file is no commits yet. So for this file right now I don't have any history. Now that file is available here. Now the file is available here. Now config.txt file available here. config.file available here. నా ఫైల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? బై డిఫాల్ట్గా ఇక్కడ ఉంది. config.txt file available here. config.txt file available here. Now if you want to move this file to untracked file to staging area, what is the command? Git add file name. So now I am using same command. Observe here, git add file name. What is the file name? We can use config.txt. Now got it. Now see here. Now I want to check. So if you want to check the status, this is the default command, git status. Every time we can use multiple times. See, now earlier it is showing red, now it is showing green. Now where is this file? Now it is in untracked file or now it is in staging area?
Staging areas.
Staging area. Now this file is available staging it. This is a flow. If you understand, this is nothing. Now this file is available here, staging area. Now I want to move this file to local repository. Now, so now see here, now changes committed, and git, if you want to unstaged, we can use this Now I want to move local repository. Now git commit. In real time, we also same commit, git commit -m, and so now it is generating one commit ID. So we need to give some proper message. So this is a command, git commit -m and message. Okay, just I'm giving a created config file. So now everyone can understand, right? So what is this? Create config file. So now see here, git commit -1. If we type this command, see here, one file changed, and also create mode 100644 config. Here it is creating one commit ID. See here, root commit. This is the commit ID. So commit ID means who created, who modified, we want to see. This is the command. If you want to check, git log command. If you want to see, git log command, see log. Now check it. This is the commit ID. So this is the 40-digit commit ID. By default, randomly it is generating. And so which branch, master, and who is the author, my username, and what is the date and time, we can check it also here. And what is the commit message. Now got it, right? History. Like simply if you want to understand like history. I hope clear, right? Anyone any doubt here?
Clear, sir.
Now I used three commands. What is that command? So first command, git init, and second command, I created one file, empty file, and I added git add command, git commit. Now the file is available here. Now I want to move this file. Now where is this file? Anyone guess it? Now config file. I used, right, git commit. Now where is this file? Here or
Local.
here? Local. Now this file is available local. Now observe here. Now this file is available local. How to check it? Same command. If you want to check the status, what is the command? Git status. That's it. See here. Now nothing to commit. Everything clear. If you get this message, what is that meaning? Now my file is available here, local repository. Now one part is done. That's it. Now here everything here committed is also generated. Now how to move this file to local to central? That is my target, right? I want to move this file to central. Now before that we need to create one token ID. Otherwise it won't work. So already I mentioned here we need to create one token ID. And also here configure, these two commands I didn't execute because already I configure, but your case we need to execute this command. After this command we need to execute git config global user.name. You need to enter your username. For example, you given your username, amma. What is that? Manina.
So
You give
Madhuvani.
Madhu
Madhuvani
Madhu
0909.
Madhuvani Vani 09, like this you need
09.
to copy and paste it. Up to this is the syntax. Don't change anything, only you need to change your email ID. Same, madhu dot vani 0909. That's it. We need to run these two commands also, but my case already I configured. That is the reason I didn't execute. Now I used some commands and all, right. Now go to here. Now if you want to push local to central, right, so here many repositories available, many projects available. This is my local. Which project you want to push this file? There is confusion, right? Real time. Not only one project we are maintaining real time. Real time means we are maintaining many projects. But which projects you want to push? First you need to row. Correct? Yes or no? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes. Yes,
ఎందుకంటే
sir.
మనకు ఆడ ఒక ప్రాజెక్టే ఉండదు రియల్ టైంలో. మల్టిపుల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మనం మూవ్ చేయాలి? సో వీ నీడ్ టు గివ్ సమ్ టోకన్. నౌ గో టు హియర్. హౌ టు జనరేట్ టోకన్? Now go to here and go to here and go to settings. Go to settings, and so if you go to here, and here there is developer settings. Everything I written here, just follow. See, settings, developer settings, personal access token. What is this? Personal access token. Go to here, click on the developer settings, and so here there is a personal access tokens, and here you select only which one you need to select. There is two is there. Fine, grain token, just select classic only. And so here this is a token. See, personal access token classic. First already this is expired only, just delete. This is the I got email, delete this one. Now generate new token, generate new token, and select so which one you want, which one you want, classic, select classic. Now it is asking, see here, personal access token function like ordinary authentication access token. Give any name. This is DevOps 2024. Okay. Now the expiration. By default, it will expire 30 days only. By default, it will expire. I don't want to expire 30 days. I'm going to at least or never expire also we can give it. Never expire also we can give it. So anyway, I'm giving 90 days. So I'm giving 90 days. Anyway, 19 days we are going to finish your course and all. Okay. 90 days. Now here select scopes. Okay. For the time being, don't think more on this. More on this. Select only repositories. Later we'll see. Only this is initial phase, right? Initial phase, right? Only select repositories, and so just generate the token. So once we click on generate token, now it is generating one ID, one token ID. Just copy it. Later we cannot copy, guys. Just copy it and paste it somewhere. Anyway, I am pasted here. This is a expire token. This is my new token. That's it. See here. This is my token. This is my token. Now this is my token. Now everything done. Anyone any doubt here? Clear, guys?
No, sir.
Okay. Same. First go to first go to first go to your project. Where is my project? So this is, go to projects, click on here, which is my project, repositories. Just now I created, right? Click on this, select your project, that is repository. Go to settings, go to, where is settings, go to settings, go to developer settings, and so go to personal access token. Only first time, only first time. Every day no need to do these steps. This is only first time token and all. For example, you have new ATM. Every day you are changing pin number, only first time you are changing pin number. First time only we are generating, right? Same like click on the token and just generate new token. We can create multiple tokens also, no problem. Anyway, already I created, right? That's it. Now, so now what is the last one? What is our target? Final step. So I want to push this file to central repository. If you want to push this file to central repository, this is a command. What is this command? Git push origin and branch name. Now I'm going to execute same command. See here, git push, okay, origin. What is the branch name? Master. Now got it. What is the branch name here? Which branch you want to push it? Master only, right? If you click on this, now it is asking token ID. Now it is asking token ID. Now see here, origins does not appear in the bit repository. What is this? Could not read. What? Hyphen U, not available. Here only push it, right? Git log. Now everything is done. Now let me, simply I'm giving a git push origin. Now see here, anyway it is showing what is this upstream, and so this master is not synced up. Just give hyphen f forcefully. If you want to, we can give hyphen f. Hyphen f is nothing but forceful. That is also not one. Current branch master, no upstream branch. Push the current branch to remote. Git push set upstream origin. Anyway they are giving some command, right? Give same command. We can, no problem. But anyway we are not getting this part. What is, or else just one time I'm log out, where I created here only, right? Right click, open, git bash, control plus plus, git git push -f origin. You have to happen automatically branch without tracking what is happening. Git push. Yes. Here we are getting one error message. Now I got it. What is the problem? So generally here I missed one more step. Now see here first time, right? After this is done, I am going to miss this step. Which project you want to push? It is confusing. So if you go here, now see here, if you go here, here I have many repositories. If you go here, here I have many repositories. If you click on here, so these are the repositories, 88 repositories available. Now I'm trying to push my file. Which repository? Now got it, right? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫైల్ని పుష్ చేయాలి. ఇది లోకల్లో ఉంది నా ఫైల్. I want to push this file to which repository?
Develop.
DevApps 2024, right? Now it is confusing. Hey, you are trying to push. So you are trying to push, but there is no specific URL. Which repository you want to push? You didn't mention. That is the error message here. Now, which repository you want to push? So this is the command we need to execute. Git remote add origin your repository URL. Now, what is the repository? First copy this link. This is right. Click on this. Click on this. This is my repository. This is my project. Go to code, and here there is a copy command is there. This is a link, guys. So what is this? Don't confuse here. Go to your project and go to code and go to here. This is my project link. Copy this and go to here. I am replacing. Okay, that's it. Now if you want to see also, we can see this command. Everything already noted. Git remote -v. Now check it here first. So git remote -v. Now see here, it is not pointed to any repository. It is not pointed to any project. Now I'm going to add this command. Git remote add. So which repository we want to connect? My repository. Control C and just paste it. That's it. Now see here, git remote add origin. I added my repository. This is my project. Now check this command, git remote -v. Now see here, now connected, right? Now there is no, see, now it will work push, now it will work fetch, everything it will work. I hope you got it right. Why we are getting that error message? So now we are trying to push your local file to central. But here if we go central, I have many projects, many repositories. Which repository you want to push? So before pushing, we need to add this command also. What is the command? Git remote add, git remote add, git remote add, git remote add, and that remote name also. This is a command. So what is this? Up to this is a command. Git remote add origin URL. Git remote add, git remote add origin URL. That is repo URL. Repo URL. That's it. So I missed. Anyway, you got some idea also, right? Why you are getting that error and all. Now see here, git remote add origin repo URL. Now last command. So done, right? Now git push origin. Just we can give master also. Now if you use this command, now it is asking so invalid username password. So now authentication failed for this repository. My access token is correct or not? Invalid. First let me check. So maybe I deleted or keep it. How to check it? Git config. This is the command. Same already we configure, right? So git config hyphen git config list. Git config list. Git config list. Now see here. Now where is my username? Already added my username. It is, I have two usernames. One is this one. This is email. Okay, correct only. This is a list command. If you want to, we can check what are the users already you configure. So Okay, invalid username means let me again one more time click on this, go to here where we created settings, developer settings, go to here and personal access token classic, just delete this one. We can create anytime, no problem. Generate token classic. So DevApps, I'm giving 90 days. I selected repositories, click on generate token. Now copy this token carefully and keep it. I am keeping here. Where is this? My token. This is my token. Okay. So now try it. Invalid token means that is a problem. Okay. Now what is this? Gate push. We'll see this and all. Then master. Now see here automatically, that is the token problem. Now see here automatically one pop-up will come. Now it is asking browse this device token. Already we have token, right? Click on the token and so which is my token? This is new token. Copy this token, copy this token and go to here, just paste it. Now it is sign into your account and it is verifying whether that is correct or not. Now see here, we are getting some issues. What is this? Updates were rejected because remote contains work that do not fetch and git pull. Before pushing, we need to use git pull also. First, I am using git pull. There is something is we are using multiple times, right? Now I updated. Now we can use same command. These and all. When I will run one by one command, we can also easily understand. Now git pull. Git pull. Okay, I am using so master origin. Now that is done. Now I am using git push.
Couldn't I apply -F?
Forcefully. Now see here. Now if you observe here, now git push -f origin master. Now this is the master branch and forcefully it is updated. So forcefully it updated. Anyway, this errors under leave it. I will show you later also how it will work. Now if you come to here, last step. Now check whether that file is coming to here or not. Final step. Now what is your branch project name? Click on here. Go to repositories. Where is this repository? And this is here. And so now the final step, just see here config.txt file. See, already we committed 18 minutes. Now just now I pushed. This is the commit message time only. Just now I pushed. Now where is this file? This is a final. Now this file I move to this file also available here. Where is available? So in my central repository available. This is the same commands. Now got it, guys? Anyone any doubt here? So hardly only I executed 5 commands. Hardly I executed 5 commands. Now just reiterate. We can close it. Tell me anyone what are the commands as of now I run. Git add command first. Correct? Git add. It will first git init command initialize the empty repository and so git config hyphen global also we need to execute. Git config, git config. Same commands already in document I noted. I will share this document just to follow same steps. So once that is done and we created before that we can add also git remote add also git remote add and so we can add URL also. And also I created one file. While creating file, I used touch command, file name. If you want to file name, and if you want to check the status, git status, where is that file? And I used git add command and file name, f name, and I used git commit command -m. That's it. Message, whatever message you want to, we can pass it. And finally, git push origin, or directly we can, anyway we are in master, right? So we can use master, means no need to mention, anyway origin, that is the branch name, f name. That's it. So hardly we are using git add command and git commit command, git add commit push, and these are the for configuration purpose. Init means initializing the empty repository in our local machine. And if you want to configure username, password and all, we need to configure. And if you want to add this and all, first time only, no need to execute every time. These commands and all, no need to execute every time, only first time. Git init command, git config, git remote add and all, that's it. And these commands we can execute multiple times. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here still?
No, sir.
Okay, so I will share this video, I will share this file, text file. Please, if anyone don't have account, please try to set up and try to practice. If you have any challenges, please so in WhatsApp, call us, or we can ping in WhatsApp group also, no problem. So that's it.